I am filming my Christmas cover. So I'm going to do, I've got a knot in my hair. So I'm gonna do my audio first, and then I want to film the actual video downstairs by the Christmas tree. So here is my setup. I've got my MacBook here, which I'm actually gonna record onto, and then I've got my microphone and pop shield. Yeah, so we're all good to go. I've got the track on here. I'm just wondering, right, so my headphones, I used to always use my dad's because mine broke, and he had really good headphones. And I just went to start like setting up, and I realised I didn't have my headphones with me. I didn't have headphones, like, and all I've got is these. So thankfully I've at least got those so I can record it. But I'm just thinking, will I be able to use Peter's Xbox headphones? Like, I don't know. I don't know if they're just like a jack. So I'm gonna go and see, because they look like pretty good headphones. So I hope I can. That would be quite handy if I could do that. Yes, yes, thank you, Peter. I'm using your headphones. They look like proper like noise cancelling ones. So, yay. That is so handy. Okay, good stuff. I nearly just tripped over. Oh, right, okay, I don't know where to put you. Like, there's nowhere I can really put you. I could maybe pop you on my tripod actually, that's a good place. It's a good place to put a camera, is on a tripod. This I think is on the wrong way, since I've moved my equipment across, like it just won't stay up, it keeps like flopping down. So I'm going to just flip it around, and hopefully am I tighten this or what? There we go. And hopefully it'll start staying up. Come on, it's such a pain to get off. I wish I had one that just like gripped onto it instead of having to, it just keeps bouncing back. Like, why is it doing this? Oh, I know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it there. Why? Why is it so inclined to just like fall on me? Okay, that kind of stays. Go in there, quick, before it changes his mind. So if I bring that there, you can see, don't do this to me. Okay, that'll do, it's staying there, that's fine. It's kind of like touching. There we go, okay, we're good. We are all good. I hope that angle's all right for you. Let's just go through it a little bit. I'm gonna get the lyrics on my phone just in case. Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree. Let's try these beasts. Where's the arm gone? There we go. Let's get those in. Let's see how these sound. These are huge. Like, they actually feel really heavy as well. Whoa. I feel like they're gonna blast my ears off. Like, oh, they sound nice. Okay. Hurry down the chimney tonight, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. I'm gonna have to lift this off a bit just so I can like hear myself. Right, so let's turn it. Is the volume turned up on that? Hello, 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 hello. Let's pop. I thought my camera had gone off then. Let's pop a little bit of reverb on. Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby. It just doesn't sound very loud. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Right, let's do this. Take one. Baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed, and next year I could be just as good. If you check off my Christmas list, Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot.
been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
So, little update, I just got finished doing the vocals. My MacBook like very nearly ran out of charge, so I've had to pop that back on charge, and I will give you like a preview of what I've recorded once it has a bit more charge. Do we want to say charge any more times in a sentence? But now I think I'm gonna do that makeup look. It is now 4:10 and it is almost pretty much pitch black outside, so I'm gonna have to stick my lights on. I've got my softbox there. I really need to get my other one set up because in my old room, I didn't have like the space to have both soft boxes set up, so I used to just have the one, so I've still got the one just set up. My other one is literally like, when it arrives it comes all like flat and in a bag and with all the bulbs separate, and I've just never actually got it out and like had it set up. I've always just used the one, so I could like, I'm just looking at the space and I could easily have one there and another one there, and then I would have like light on both sides. So yeah, I think I need to do that at some point, but for now I am going to film a little makeup look, like a Christmassy thing. Okay.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, keep my heart upon the shelf.
I just got done filming this makeup look. Look at the highlight on this, like, yeah, and look at the mess over there. But it's gonna be fun to tidy up. But I just went with like a red, come on here. This camera is so funny because I've just filmed on my Canon camera and then switching to this, like you can't really see anything, all you can see is highlight. But I did like a red eye and a neutral lip. So yes, I tell you what, I will show you, just got an email. Yeah, I'm gonna go and show you like a sneak peek of the cover that I recorded before, because my Mac is a lot more charged now. So, oh, it's very red in here.
I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. To light blue, I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Ba-da-da-da.